Anybody? How to say good morning? Nobody ready?
I am always.
Tiffin.
I am always. Three Indian ની અંદર જે કહે છે I am always.
Okay.
Three Indian picture ની અંદર જે રીતે કહે છે ને કે I am always, I am always.
Okay. I didn't see, so I can't. Can you explain?
All is well, all is well.
All is well.
Yes, all is well. Good.
Wow. Okay. So we going to with you. So can you explain again, please, Sanjay Kumar?
All is well.
Where all is well. Is well.
Okay. Wow. So I'm unmuted to all. Yes. All is well. Today no
All
good
is
morning.
well.
All is
All
well.
is well.
All is
All is
well.
All is well.
All is well.
All is well.
All is well.
All is well, all is well.
Wow. Nice. And thank you, Sanjay Kumar, for creating this. Good morning, all of you. Good morning and welcome. So today I am inviting our bold leader, and I think you all like it, Mr. Sakti Chinnadure. His name is Satish, but we called Sakti. Yes, Sakti, over to you.
Thank you, Ajay. Good morning and all is well.
All is well.
Okay, now, give me a few minutes na, to remove the slide. Na?
Yes.
Go with the slide. Yeah, okay.
No problem.
So today we come back and look back into conjunctions. So how many of you remember conjunctions? हमने क्या किया? हमने किया, अरे वाह, दिलाशा वागेला, आरसी, ओके, या दिलाशा.
कंजक्शन में जो हम वर्ड जो सेंटेंस होते हैं उससे पूरा करने के लिए जो हम प्रीपोजिशन करते हैं उसे कंजक्शन कहते हैं, जैसे फैन बॉयज.
Wow.
That's it.
Okay, so you remember. Yeah, विकास भाई.
कंजंक्शन जो होते हैं वो दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ने का भी काम करते हैं.
Wow, perfect. और कौन सा कंजंक्शन से याद है?
Yes, fan boys.
Wow, wonderful.
For and nor but or yet so.
Awesome. Yeah, Arshi.
Conjunctions works for join two sentences. Otherwise, without conjunctions, we have to two sentences. But with conjunctions, we can speak two sentences in a sentence.
Awesome, Arshi. Awesome. So, okay, so somebody not clear about what these people are saying. किसी को clear नहीं है कि ये लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. Okay, तो सबको clear है. Great. अजय, मुझे लगा कि first 10 minutes I have to go with a revision of conjunctions. इधर तो public को पता है.
In your first session, you explained very well.
So we go straight away. So we looked at conjunctions and we looked at there are three types of conjunctions. Okay. We last time looked at coordinating conjunctions, जो हम fanboys बोलते. So can you somebody put a slide for fanboys?
सर आज की या फिर पहले की?
अरे डार्लिंग आज का ही डार्लिंग. Go down, go down. Wow, Kapura Bhakti. Kapura Bhakti, you should share with everybody. Go down, Vraj. Go down, go down. और एक बार नीचे, और एक बार नीचे, और एक बार नीचे. Yep. So this is what we did last time, fanboys. These are the 7 coordinating conjunctions that we looked into it and we practiced. So now today we are going to look at correlating conjunctions. Now, again, correlating conjunctions are also, they appear in pairs. वो जोड़ी में आते हैं एक sentence को जोड़ने के लिए. तो there are 5 correlating conjunctions. तो 5 pairs को देखेंगे एक एक करके. So Vraj, can we look at the next slide? Next slide. So this is correlative conjunctions. The 5 pairs क्या है? In a sentence, this is how it will appear. एक sentence में whether and or ये दोनों appear होगा. कोई sentence में neither and nor दोनों मिलेगा. किसी में not only but also. किसी में either and or और किसी में and और but. So इसका एक application हर एक को हम एक एक करके लेंगे. So let's look into it with each and every conjunction. Yeah. Yes, Vraj. Next slide. तो पहला हमने लिया either or correlative एक sentence में something that's marked in red. I either want a chocolate cake or a pastry. I will either go for a walk or stay home and watch TV. Now I want each one of you to create some sentence to see the application of this particular pair. Yes, Shreya. Yes, Shreya.
Srija. Yes, Srija.
Srija.
Yes, sir. I either make pizza or make I either make pizza or Manchurian.
I either make pizza or
Manchurian.
Manchurian. Achha, okay, got that. Okay, either you are doing an Italian dish or you are making a Chinese dish. Okay, got that, Srija. Yes, somebody else. नहीं, कली सृजा को समझ में आया, बाकी को नहीं. Come on, guys. Poonam Mehta, you should come and share. Yeah.
1 minute. Who else? Silpa.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shilpa.
I either speak English language or French language.
Oh, awesome. You either speak English language or French language. Got that.
Yes, Rajnikant.
I either go to Mumbai or go to Delhi. I either go to Mumbai or Delhi.
Decide करोगे कि नहीं?
Decide तो करूँगा. आऊँगा तो मुंबई.
So for a purpose क्या होगा?
या मुंबई आओ या दिल्ली जाओ.
अच्छा, okay. For a vacation, for work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, RC.
They either play cricket or hockey.
Arshi, I didn't hear you properly.
They either play cricket or
No, Arshi, I didn't get that.
Yes, Silpa.
I will either go to Europe or US in next Diwali.
Wow. Okay, I got that. Shilpa,
Yes, sir.
no, आपका hand raise है. Did you raise it again or?
No, sir. I want to say another sentences.
Okay, go ahead.
That's right.
Okay. Go ahead.
I will either take a tea or coffee.
You will either take a tea or you will take a coffee. Got that?
Yes.
इधर किसी ने लिखा I either want to drink cold cocoa or lassi. Okay. You either eat burger or pizza. Okay. Chat में है कुछ लोग. You either want a family or money. Okay. Okay, got that.
Paktika Popra.
Either Atle Shu Gujarati translation, please. पारुल आपको कुछ पूछना है. Either Atle Shu Gujarati translation, please.
No.
अजय भाई चैट में किसी ने लिखा कुछ गुजराती में.
वो आइदर का मीनिंग जानना चाहते हैं.
Either is दोनों में से एक.
राइट.
दोनों में से एक या और इस ये या वो.
Okay.
You got that, पारुल?
हाँ.
मैंने भी कल रात को उसको गूगल करके देखा और फिर वो सेंटेंस में बिठाया तो बैठ रहा कुछ में और किसी में नहीं बैठ रहा है. या कपोरा.
Pakti Kapopra.
I either go to Delhi or Mumbai.
You go to दिल्ली और मुंबई. ये कब जाके तय करोगे? स्टेशन जाके तय करोगे? ट्रेन में चढ़ के तय करोगे? Okay, got that.
Yes, Gopi.
My brother, I either car or bike.
I either.
My brother will buy either car or bike.
My brother will buy either a car or a bike. Okay, perfect. Got that. अश्विन भाई कुछ आप लोगों को गुजराती में बता रहे हैं उसका मीनिंग. अश्विन बल्लार को अनम्यूट करेंगे.
यस वो आइदर वाला था जो पारुल ने पूछा था ना कि आइदर और क्या होता है.
आप एक बार बताएंगे.
यस आइदर. यस आइदर और इसका वो मीनिंग होता है कि ये चीज या ये चीज दोनों में से अगर एक सिलेक्ट करने की बात हो तो उसके लिए हम आइदर का यूज करते हैं. वो बता दिया फिर अजय भाई ने, लेकिन वो मेरा टाइपिंग चालू था तो मैंने थोड़ा लेट हुआ.
अच्छा, गुजराती में भी यही होता है. मेरे को लगा आप गुजराती में कुछ और बताओगे.
नहीं वो ठीक है. ओके, अब क्लियर नहीं है तो फिर से वो पूछ सकती है पारुल. पारुल का सवाल था ना ये.
पारुल का सवाल था.
हो गया क्लियर सर.
ओके ओके
ओके पारुल, राइट. ओके, गॉट दैट. सो ठीक है, दिस इज सिंपल. सो कैन वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पैर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट पैर इज नेदर या नॉर. ना ये ना वो. तो इसके से अरे क्या हो गया दोस्त. She neither likes tea nor coffee. Shakti is neither rich nor famous. What a poor guy. Ajay, send some money.
Yes, Raj. Raj, your hand is raised. Yes.
I neither like to reading books nor preparation for exam.
Okay, got that. Yes, Gopi.
She is neither beautiful nor educated.
She's neither beautiful nor educated. Okay. Yes.
Srija.
Yes, sir. He neither likes Italian food nor China food.
It's Chinese food.
Sorry, Chinese.
We neither like Italian food nor Chinese food. Okay.
Yes, it. It Rajani.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yes, it.
She neither like garlic nor onion.
She neither likes garlic. Okay, come up with more creative sentence. हम tea coffee को replace करते जा रहे. Okay, Payal, that's you, right? Keith Rajni is Payal, right? Okay. Yes.
Rital.
He neither like cold drink and cocoa, nor cocoa.
Neither like cold drink nor cocoa. Okay, Rital.
Yes, Silva.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shilpa.
We should neither want to go to garden or public places in COVID situation.
Okay. So in COVID, we neither go to the garden nor to the public place. Okay.
Yes.
Got that?
Yes.
Yes, Soumya.
I neither like pizza and nor burger.
Soumya, you don't like pizza nor burger. Okay, got that. Got
Yes,
that. And one
Rasmita.
more sentence and we move on for the next one.
She never danced Bharatnatyam or salsa. She never danced Bharatnatyam nor salsa.
हम never को use कर रहे कि neither को use कर रहे?
Sorry, neither.
She neither dances Bharatnatyam nor salsa. What a combination you bring in, guys. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next pair. Can I, Janvi? Okay. Okay, let's do with Janvi. Yeah, Janvi.
1 minute first, I unmute Janvi. Yes.
He
Go ahead,
neither
Janvi.
likes English books nor Gujarati books.
Got that. Got that. Okay. Okay, now this is the third pair. Both and jidhar use hota hai. I saw both the Statue of Liberty and the Empire State Building. Statue of Liberty or Empire State Building US में है. It's a place to where you can क्या बोलते हैं? It's a nice place to be there. She is both intelligent and beautiful. Both Arshi and Dilasha enjoyed the movie. Okay, now let's create a few sentences.
Yes, Srija.
Yes, sir. एक second. She is both want to. She is both want to book and pencil.
No, I didn't get that, Shreja. पहले हिंदी में बताएंगे और फिर इसको ट्रांसलेट करेंगे.
Yes, sir. उन दोनों को पेंसिल और बुक चाहिए.
उन दोनों को, okay. Okay, so they both want a pencil and a book. That's what you are saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yes, Vikas.
Yeah. I like to both DCs, Gujarati and Punjabi.
You like to?
Sorry,
No, I didn't get that. Can you come back again?
I like both DCs, Gujarati and Punjabi.
You like both Gujarati and Punjabi. Okay. What? Gujarati and Punjabi, what?
Dishes.
Oh, dishes. Okay. You are married?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है.
Yes, Rital.
Yes.
I like both the peaceful life and purity.
Peaceful life and
Purity.
you like both peaceful life and purity. So what do you mean by purity?
पवित्रता, शांति, बनने.
तो वो peaceful हो गया ना?
Peaceful means शांति की life
शांति.
and purity.
तो आपको
and
शांत और
पवित्रता.
पवित्र life.
Yes.
अच्छा, okay. Okay. Just for my knowledge, okay. पवित्र life मतलब क्या होता है?
Means our soul, यार, आत्मिक शांति.
अच्छा,
लाइफ में
okay.
शांति, जीवन में शांति ने आत्मिक शांति.
अच्छा, okay. So you like peaceful life and
Purity
is-
soul life.
peaceful life and
Our soul purity life.
अच्छा, purity life. Okay. I couldn't get that there, but then okay, I will go with that. मुझे उधर थोड़ा clarity मेरे को नहीं आया, but then I'll go with that. आपका थोड़ा high level पे आपने मेरे को समझाया, तो उतना नहीं मेरे को पल्ले पड़ा. ठीक है, Rital. Got that. Yes.
Yes, Dilasa.
I was read both of the novels, Harry Potter and the Black Beauty.
So you read both the novels, Harry Potter and
Black Beauty.
Black Beauty. Okay. Okay.
Yes, Rajni.
Okay, I give money 5 crores. Ajay and Shakti.
You gave money. So you are listening that Shakti is poor. But then why to Ajay? Why to Ajay? Okay, got that, Rajnikant.
Yes, Ajay Chudasama.
I like both mobile and laptop.
You like both mobile and laptop. Okay.
Yes, Silpa.
Janvi, where are you using both? Sorry, I'm just seeing on the chat. I like teaching maths and English. वो conjunction है, okay, वो coordinating conjunctions है. हम correlating conjunctions में आप दो pairs को use करना है, जानवी. Janvi, you got that? Okay. Correlating में याद रखना दो pairs में आएगा उसको correlating conjunctions बोलते हैं और single word में जो आएगा वो coordinating conjunctions है. Got that. Thanks, Janvi. Okay. One more person and we go to the next one.
Silpa.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shilpa.
I enjoyed both Miracle Garden and Burj Khalifa in Dubai before 5 years.
Okay, you enjoyed both. Got that.
I make other sentence, sir.
Oh,
Can I
why
make?
not? Yeah.
I want to speak both English and French language.
You want to speak both English and French language. Okay, got that. Okay, so let's go to the next pair. So this pair has not only, but also. Okay. So not only do I play flute, but I also play the clarinet. It's a musical instrument. Jignesh is not only intelligent, but also funny. Jignesh hai ki so gaya? I am not only going to the office, but also meeting friends for lunch. Okay, so let's look into this. Daksha, Daksha.
Yes, sir. I have not only CA degree but also MBA degree.
You not only clear?
I have not only chartered accountant degree but also MBA degree.
Okay, you are not only a chartered accountant, but you are also a
MBA.
management graduate. Okay,
Huh.
okay. So okay. I not only did chartered accountancy, but also I did my master's in business administration. Would that sound better?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yes.
Carol, do that.
Yes, sir. हेलो
Your
सर।
turn.
Yes, Parul.
पहले हिंदी में इसका क्या ट्रांसलेट होता है वो बताइए ना सबका।
इसका हिंदी का अनुवाद। ओके, हिंदी के अनुवाद के लिए मेरे दोस्त मेरी मदद करेंगे। नॉट ओनली का हिंदी का अनुवाद कोई बताएंगे? अश्विन भाई, अजय भाई।
डायरेक्टली इंग्लिश में समझ नहीं आता, पहले हिंदी में बताइए फिर हम।
ओके ओके
ओके नॉट ओनली मतलब કે માત્ર આજ નહીં પણ પણ જે છે ને પહેલું સેન્ટેન્સ કે નોટ ઓનલી ડુ આઈ પ્લે ધ ફ્લૂટ બટ આઈ ઓલ્સો પ્લે ધ ક્લેરનેટ તો હું માત્ર ફ્લૂટ નહીં બજાવું, હું માત્ર ફ્લૂટ નહીં વગાડું પણ હું ક્લેરનેટ પણ વગાડીશ, હું એની પર પણ પ્લે એટલે કે વગાડીશ. સમજાઈ ગયું? બીજું છે જિગ્નેશ ઇઝ નોટ ઓનલી ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ બટ ઓલ્સો ફની એટલે કે જિગ્નેશ માત્ર ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ નથી પણ એ ફની પણ છે. સમજી ગયા? આઈ એમ નોટ ઓનલી ગોઈંગ ટુ ધ ઓફિસ બટ ઓલ્સો મીટિંગ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ફોર લંચ એટલે કે હું માત્ર મીટિંગ ઓફિસે નથી જતો પણ મીટિંગ માટે મીટિંગ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ફોર લંચ મીટિંગ માટે પણ જઈશ એમ લંચ માટે. ઓકે, ફ્રેન્ડ માટે. સમજાઈ ગયું? ઓનલી અને બટ ઓલ્સો માં?
હા, ઓકે ઓકે સમજાઈ ગયું.
ઓકે, ક્લિયર છે ને? ફાઇનલ? બીજા કોઈને ડાઉટ હોય તો કેજો પાછા.
એટલે બધામાં
Make it one.
तो पारुल इसमें कोई सेंटेंस बताएंगे आप इसको यूज करके? आप हिंदी या गुजराती में बताइए, नो प्रॉब्लम, जो अश्विन जी ने भी बताया। आप सोचना चाहोगे? आप सोचना और फिर
बाद में बताओगे।
अच्छा चलो, वे में कंप्लीट होने से पहले वापस आपके पास आता हूँ पारुल। ओके, यस, somebody?
Soumya.
Jay is not only Gujarati but also American.
Jay is not only Gujarati but also
American.
He's not only Gujarati but also American. Okay. Okay.
Yes, brother.
I have not only a big pretty house but I have also a pretty family.
You not only have a pretty house, but then you also have a pretty family. Okay. You can say a house, Vraj, with like, I have a big house, I have a beautiful house. Pretty generally is very feminine. It's एक female को lady को describe करने के लिए pretty या it's a feminine.
तो
So
सर फैमिली को क्या कहते हैं?
नहीं family को कोई problem नहीं है. That's completely fair. Like I'm just refining that for you. Right?
Thank you.
Yeah. We don't say na Vraj is a pretty boy. Vraj is a handsome boy, right? Okay.
Yes, Daksha.
My son is my son is not only clever but also so naughty.
Come back again.
My son is not only clever but also so naughty.
My son is not only clever but also is so naughty. Okay, I got that. Okay.
Yes, Ujas.
I am not only go to market, but I am shop the dukan.
I am shop. Ujas, आपने इंग्लिश के साथ कुछ तो मेरे को हिंदी या गुजराती दिया लगता है. उजास वापस बताएंगे?
Yes, sir.
वापस बताइए.
I am not only go to shop, go to market.
Okay. I not only go to market, I am को हटा देना. Am का जरूरत नहीं है. I not only go to the market और correlating है ना, पैर में आना.
But also shop.
Okay. So I not only go to the market, but also go to the shop. The shop is there in the market, right? दुकान मार्केट में ही होगा ना, या मार्केट अलग है दुकान अलग है? That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, or it would be like I am not only going to the market, but also I'll go for a movie, or I will go for a shopping and also go for dinner. Okay, got that.
Yes, Parul.
I am not only stitching but also very good designer.
I am not only
Stitching
okay,
but also very good designer.
but you are also a very good designer. Okay, Parul, perfect.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
Thank you. Let's go to the next one. मुझे अच्छा लगा Parul. It was a very perfect sentence.
Yes, Taruna.
समझ आ गया ना, इसलिए बाद में आए इंग्लिश में.
मैं ट्राई करती हूँ. I not only eat vegetable, but I also eat fruits.
Okay, perfect. चलो ना, उधर इधर कहाँ देख रहे हो? Perfect, Taruna. Perfect. She not only read Gujarati but also chat में क्या है? But also read English. Okay, Bhavya. Okay. So now let's look at the next conjunction. अगला देखें. Raj. Okay, this is the last one in the pair. I don't know where. I not only make sari but also clothes sewing machine. Okay, Shruti. I don't know whether to play basketball or to play a basketball this year. It's a conjunction correlating using whether and or. Whether is whether. Ashwin bhai, translation weather का बताएंगे गुजराती में. Weather is चाहे, something like that. जिया त्या. क्या रजनीकांत? अश्विन आप म्यूट में हो.
एजर मीनिंग शायद ऐसा होता है आ के ते करूं, शू करूं.
हाँ, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
या
इसके लिए बोला ना, जो आप लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन में जाओगे ना तो उधर बैठ नहीं रहा था, तो दैट इज व्हाई आई डिडंट पुट इट ओवर हियर. So let's try to create some sentences and see. Okay, who would like to try? क्या हो गया? इसमें कोई नहीं है, यानी वेदर में अटके हैं.
Yes, Srija.
थैंक्स श्रीजा, बचा लिया तुमने, वरना मैं भी वेदर में अटकता था. Okay, Srija.
You whether like to write. You whether like to write English homework or Gujarati homework today.
Okay, so you can say whether you would like to do homework in Gujarati or English.
Yes.
Got that. Daksha, I got that. You are not getting. मैं आ रहा हूँ Daksha आपके पास. या शिल्पा.
Sorry, sir. I don't know whether she will recognize me or not.
You don't know whether she will recognize you or not. Wow, Shilpa. Got that.
Like to check whether
Yes, Arsi.
I like to check whether it is done or not.
You like to check whether, yeah, it's done or it's not done. Okay, got that, Arshi.
Yes, Vikas.
We also like
I don't know whether what will I doing.
No. Again, I don't know.
I don't know whether what will I do.
नहीं, वो आप उसको हिंदी में अनुवाद बताएंगे?
मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं क्या करूं.
मुझे पता नहीं, तो उधर वेदर को कहाँ यूज किए?
वो होता है ना कि मुझे पता ही नहीं है, इसके लिए तो वेदर नहीं है.
नहीं. क्या पता नहीं है?
मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
तो वेदर को कहाँ यूज कर रहे हो आप? मुझे अश्विन या somebody help me with the weather का ट्रांसलेशन बताएंगे? दक्षा को भी नहीं क्लियर है. ना 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 स्पेलिंग गलत है. WHETHER. Shoe is like, okay, चाहे इट्स लिटरल मीनिंग में नहीं बैठ रहा है, वो मैंने कल ट्राई किया।
वो चॉइस के लिए होता है, दो में से एक चूज करना हो ना, तो उसके
हाँ।
लिए हम वेदर यूज करते हैं।
तो उसको गुजराती में ट्रांसलेट करके बताएंगे ये दक्षा के लिए या विकास भाई के लिए?
हम के बोलते हैं उसको, के भाई कां तो आ कां तो पेलू एम बे माथी एक જ્યારે પસંદ કરવું હોય ને તો વેધર યુઝ કરીએ છીએ।
ओके
तो विकास भाई एक और सेंटेंस बनाएंगे?
ओके, मैं बना के रिपीट कर देता हूँ मैं बाद में।
अच्छा, बाद में करेंगे। ओके, somebody else?
Yes, भक्ति का पपड़ा। भक्ति?
हाँ?
Yes, Suraj, go ahead.
I don't know today's weather is. I don't know whether today's weather is rainy or sunny.
Okay, so there are two weathers in this, हाँ? जो वेदर व्रज ने यूज किया वो मौसम के बारे में बोल रहा है। ओके ओके व्रज, परफेक्ट, गॉट दैट। आप इधर और बी यूज कर सकते हैं, इट डिपेंड्स आपके सेंटेंस। क्या कर रहा है? हो गया, स्क्रीन बंद कर दे ना, नो इश्यूज, बंद कर दे शेयरिंग। व्रज गया। दक्षा, यू आर क्लियर अबाउट दिस? या दक्षा?
सर वो जिग्नेश सर ने बोला कि दोनों में से एक चूज करने के लिए का तो आ का तो पेलू, तो एना माटे तो आइधर और भी यूज कर सके।
सेंटेंस में देखिए, आप मेरे को सेंटेंस बताएंगे तो उसमें से बता सकता हूँ इधर यूज हो सकता है कि नहीं हो
मीनिंग नहीं पता इसलिए सेंटेंस नहीं बन रहा है।
अच्छा ओके, तो मीनिंग किसका नहीं पता चल रहा है? इधर का नहीं वेदर का मीनिंग नहीं पता चल रहा है। ओके, स्लाइटली ट्रिकी।
आप इजी सेंटेंस कोई बताइए।
इजी सेंटेंस,
ये सारे सेंटेंस में हम आइदर और यूज कर सकते हैं, जो आई थिंक जो ये सब ने बोला हो।
अभी जैसे जो हमने सेंटेंस क्रिएट किया, मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलूं या whether I should play basketball or basketball. So how do I put that?
શિલ્પા, આપણે એવું કહીએ ને કે હું આ કરું કે પેલું કરું, તો જે કે છે ને ત્યાં આપણે વેધર યુઝ કરી શકીએ।
ઓકે ઓકે।
માર્કેટ જાઓ કે ઓફિસે, તો જે કે માટે જે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ ને ત્યાં આપણે વેધર યુઝ કરીએ।
ओके,
जो चॉइस के अंदर क्वेश्चनेबल चॉइस है।
यस,
ओके।
सो थैंक्स पारुल, मेरे को भी सोचने के लिए आपने मेरे को ये किया। या विकास भाई, यू आर क्लियर?
Yes, clear.
Okay, so thank you. With this, we come to the end of this session. So thank you all for being here. Yes, Rajnikant.
मैं सेंटेंस बनाना चाहता था।
हाँ, बताओ ना।
Okay, I not whether wash cloth self or wash cloth washing machine.
फिर से बोलेंगे आप?
I not wash whether cloth।
एक सेकंड होल्ड करना। I not wash whether
cloth।
अच्छा, अभी मुझे हिंदी में बताना।
मैं कपड़े धोना नहीं चाहता हूँ।
अच्छा, यू वॉश है क्या? ओके,
Wash.
You don't want to wash clothes?
Self.
Self, okay.
Or wash clothes washing machine.
Okay. तो लेकिन उसमें क्या यूज कर रहे हो? कौन सा कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन यूज कर रहे हो?
वेदर काम मशीन में या खुद? मैं खुद नहीं धोना चाहता हूँ, बट मशीन का यूज करना चाहता हूँ.
Okay, so you can create something like this. I do not know whether to wash the clothes, whether on a washing machine or washing machine के अलावा क्या बोलते हैं इसको मार के?
धोबी.
Or through a dhobi, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So homework or assignment. Assignment ये 5 correlative को लेके, okay, try to create 5 sentences, okay. And अगर आपको कुछ भी doubt है, so you can always connect with me. You can always go back and connect to your coaches, okay. With this, I declare the session to be complete. So people want to leave can leave. Somebody has question? Yes.
Bye bye everyone. Bye bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye everyone.
Hi Soumya. Soumya, देखा मैंने तुझे.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye everyone. Everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.